Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix KMODE exception not handled error in Windows. First method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters, right-click Network Adapter, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers, click Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Second method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters, right-click Network Adapter, click Update Driver, click Browse My Computer for drivers, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select Network Adapter model, click Next. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Update and Security, click Recovery. Click Restart now. Click Troubleshoot, click Advanced Options, click Startup Settings. Press F4 key to enable safe mode. Type msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Click Services tab. If any services like Elan services, uncheck the service, click Apply, click OK, click Restart now. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.